I stopped my video on accident. But yeah, here's some about these cameras I can get so I can make good content for y'all.
Oh,
let me get a pack of Newport Short.
Newport Schwartz.
Yeah, Newport Short.
I got you right here.
You know how we is in the building over here.
Yeah, only Newports. But
yeah.
Sadly, I ended up getting a camel. So
you smoke Camels?
No, I don't smoke Camels.
You don't smoke cigarettes at all? I don't even smoke cigarettes.
When I don't have a vape. Yeah, I do.
I need to vape myself. No, you know, them things is bad for you, for real.
Yeah, it's actually worse.
They give you respiratory infections. You hear about that?
But yeah, I get that. But at the same time, both of us gonna kill you. So either way it goes.
No matter what.
But what's gonna kill you faster though? A vape or a cigarette?
I mean, a vape might probably do it because it's metal and iron in it. But just me though, I mean, I just think everybody's gonna go through it.
Yeah, that's true. And it's crazy how everybody dying, like just dropping out of the sky. Like Aaron Carter done. You know Aaron Carter?
Yeah,
he died. Like I was like, I don't know. I feel like he committed suicide on some real shit.
No, I remember that Vlad interview. It was that last interview I had like watched.
So Vlad did an interview with him.
It was like last year, and I had watched it, and I remember he just seemed like he was.
I mean that's that shit. I mean y'all, I ain't trying to get rich and famous. I just want y'all to know my life and see what the fuck I'm going to do, cause I be bored in the fucking house. You feel me? But I ain't trying to get that rich and famous. I'm not about to give my life to no Illuminati or nothing like that. And if I don't get off the ground, shit, I just don't get off the fucking ground, because I ain't selling my soul. I already sold my soul to the Most High, and that's all gonna get my soul. That's it. You feel me?
Right. Point blank.
Point blank. You got it. You got an Instagram. You let them out your Instagram. Let them know your Instagram.
Leanology. LEANOLIGY. Get at me.
You already know, like it's good vibes over here for real. We gonna do a whole lot of videos together for real, cause the vibe is good. You feel me? It's good. It's great. Did I put this shit in already?
You tripping?
Yeah, so don't walk out the store and he pay for shit. Just talking. You feel me? I ain't about to do them like that.
Oh my lord! Shit, I made the store loud. Made the store loud. The job was quiet too.
So you know I gotta come through. I'm loud. So that's what they get for not hiring me.
Where's Suzanne at?
She at the house.
She at the house?
Mm-hmm.
Incorrect me,
What's this? Oh. Is this a card? Oh shit. Hold on, y'all. I done got the wrong card. I'll be right back. Y'all entertain Shot Show while I go get my stuff.
I don't do a lot of talking, but hey, hello, how y'all doing?
Just sing, dude.
Just sing. All right, man. I'm just act like I'm at work.
Hey, you want to pay for $5 $1?
My number 2.
I did know.
Oh, Jennifer leaving? Oh my gosh. 9:30 already.
Yeah, it's on. I got an hour left.
Hey y'all, I'm back. I put in the correct pin but the wrong card.
Bye, Jennifer. You gonna be here tomorrow? Oh, good luck.
I like your shoes, by the way.
Thank you.
Oh, I didn't even notice the things.
They're so cute.
Yeah, I got black ones and blue ones.
Must be nice. But I am about to run out.
But they're comfy.
Yeah, they are. If you go on, I think it's Ipsy. They got a lot of hold on. It's Ipsy. Yeah, Ipsy. Yeah. They have a lot of these. Like you will see, like people like, oh, they be costing. The blue one that I had costed $60, but they have the exact same ones like this, and this only costs like $5 or $10.
You said Ipsy?
Yeah, like you can get every. I think they're even cheaper than that. Don't give me the line, but they cheap. But the ones that I feel like they cost $60 is the color, because they are like a dark royal blue.
Yeah.
Like the colors come out prettier, I guess, but they all look the same and feel good.
Sometimes I feel like it's worth the money to pay for something things. Like if it's expensive, sometimes it's worth it. It's gonna like last longer. Like my Carhartt, I have a Carhartt. It's lasted 10 years and it's still going. And that was like $100.
Yeah.
And it's a nice
some stuff that is expensive do work out right. But sometimes the stuff that you buy that's expensive don't last.
Oh yeah.
Cause I had some clothes that I had bought from the mall, y'all, and then I bent over one time and they was gone. Like I had split all that. That's why I shop at Walmart.
Also shoes too. like sometimes they'll fall apart.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like some of the stuff that I got on there, the like the straps break, all that shit. Yeah. Alright, you have an Instagram. Would you like?
Yeah, I did not.
Oh well, y'all, she don't got an Instagram, but she pretty though. Look at her. You wanna be on my blog right quick? Say hey. You see? Yeah, it's some baddies walking around here. We ain't ugly. We fine. Alright, y'all. So I'm at the store about to go outside, cause we outside.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't like
oh yeah. I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get to the house.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. Had to run my mouth a little bit. So yeah, on our way back to the crib. Got my photo, got my cigarettes. Okay, y'all, I'm back in the house. I got everything situated. Now I'm back about to do Nas hair. I told y'all I was gonna go out to the store. Y'all met Sasho. Y'all hit him up on his Instagram. He gave it to y'all. And yeah, hold on. I'm about to put y'all over here while I do Nas hair. Yeah, y'all can see me. Like, this dude got noodles all over the place. He over there messing down there on the floor. I hope sexy poppy. I hope my sexy poppy call me for him. He probably not, because he probably tired. He probably had a long day today. And what's today? Tuesday? Wednesday? Oh yeah. Today is Wednesday, so ain't no telling me he got off of work.
Okay. Yeah, this. Okay.
I swear it smells like. Because you did. Y'all, I gotta change his diaper. Then every time I turn around, it's a freaking noodle. Y'all see how he wastes his food? He been eating all day. That's probably why he wasting it. But yeah, y'all, earlier, I ain't even call my son a nigga. He just act like a nigga. With that stealing and shit. But yeah, I was talking like he wanted my child. I mean, I was just like, I'm a overly concerned parent. I just want my kids to do what they need to do without getting in trouble. Cause how did noodles get in my house shoe? Ew. I just want my son to do right. I don't want my sons to go down that road. And that's every parent. Like, you done fucked up. We done gave our parents. Hold on, let me close the store because my mom trying to sleep. And Marley went to bed, y'all. Because it's 10:07. And I gotta comb his hair out and put him in the bed and get him ready for tonight. And then I gotta give me a shower and chill out and whatever. But yeah, my guy done dookie. So yeah, let me change him right quick and then all these noodles all over the floor. Oh yeah, but like I said, I don't know. Like that's why I call him either Sexy Poppy or my baby daddy. Because like I said, I don't know if we're in a relationship or not. You really have to do stuff to be in a relationship, right? I mean, it ain't nothing really safe for you to do out here but chilling in the house, and I'm cool with that. I just wish I could be around him 24/7, and I can't be because he works. I'm about to start back working. I'm about to start back working. Yeah. I'll work, he work. Y'all see my shoes? I got some blue ones and some black ones. I would love to have somebody. So you must have farted or something. Yeah, you farted. Boy, you is raw. Y'all gotta take me a bath. It's 10. Yeah, it's stuck under my
Oh, Gary. Oh, Gary. Oh, Gary. This. Oh, Gary. This. Go, Gary. Go. Oh, Gary.
I don't know where that come. I don't know where they come with. I got this stuff in a spray bottle. This cloves of aloe berry and black Jamaican castor oil and olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And I put some of this on here. This will keep his hair moisturized because even though his hair is curly, he have dry hair, and I do feel the difference from him when I had cut his first year hair off. It's not dry no more, but I still like to keep him moisturized. And he don't like getting his hair done. Maybe when he get older he'll cut it, but until now his daddy don't want his hair cut, so I do give daddy's benefit of doubt and let them have their opinions on their kids, the ones that help out. Why you wanna fight? Come here. You see, you want to fight all the time about getting his freaking hair combed. And that's all I want to do. He always want to fight about getting his hair combed. He don't like getting his hair combed at all. His daddy don't even like getting his hair done. I twisted his hair up and I supposed to be retwisting it, and he don't even want me to do it. Cars all over the place, and I just had that comb, y'all. I had it before I went to the store. And now I can't find the comb. And Molly was in here. That's all y'all gonna see really is blue from me. Boy, ain't nobody playing with you. Y'all, I don't know where that comb went. It's crazy because I had everything on the bed from when I came back, from when I went to the store. And now I can't find that damn rat tooth comb. What in the world? Like, this is stuff that I'm talking about. He always putting, like, Lord, Snickers and stuff. I like candy, but not in the bed. It's not even back here. Yeah, he probably got hold to it. So I'm just gonna use this comb. I'm gonna use this comb right here. Put this on.
Like this. Out.
Like I said, I don't do nothing but watch First 48. I'm about to go back to watching the First 48. These are old seasons. I'm going all the way back to the beginning. Sometimes he'll sit. Sometimes he won't. See, there we go. Dude, stop. You want to pull your hair.
Any of this to frighten you. Robert Birchall, he's obsessed.
What do you mean obsessed?
Stay the hell away from my family. You're making threats. He's been doing this for years. You could have stopped him.
I'm scared.
Whatever happens to us, always be my darling.
That's why I want that small rat.
For homicide detectives, the clock starts ticking the moment they...
Y'all, this my shit right here.
Went through the victim's body into the pavement.
You just got shot right there. You need to tell the truth to get yourself out of this mess.
Their chance of solving a murder is cut in half.
We're gonna go for you in the streets until we find you.
If they don't get a lead...
She knows something about the murder?
Within the first 48 hours.
Right now, there is a group of people wanting to kill your son. You don't want him dead, right?
Charlotte, North Carolina.
Charlotte.
PM. A quiet afternoon on the northwest side of town. Suddenly, shots ring out from inside an internet cafe.
Charlotte 911. This man shot. Still alive for later.
EMS responds and finds the store clerk lying on the floor. They rush into the hospital, where he is pronounced dead.
It's Saturday afternoon, and I was really hoping to spend some time with my family. But when you're on call, plans can change. They did today.
Army veteran Detective Dave Osorio has been on the Charlotte police force for 19 years. The last 9 in homicide.
Y'all look.
What'd you find?
Detective Michael Burke earned a degree in criminal justice and joined the force 16 years ago. He's worked for 8 years in homicide.
One witness. The suspect comes in.
Don't touch nothing.
Clerk grabs him down. They end up struggling. He ends up on the floor, and the suspect shoots him twice.
Customers described the suspect as a black male in his 20s.
The victim's name is Jamal. Last name Salih.
46-year-old Jamal Salih was married and the father of 2 young children and a newborn baby. Internet cafe for only 3 weeks.
Don't touch nothing.
Shot twice.
What did you do?
The spent shell casings. Could be a revolver.
That's why I want to put it on the bed.
It doesn't look like the suspect was able to take anything. The victim was killed over nothing, really.
Yeah.
There is video.
Osorio turns to the store's video surveillance system.
Hopefully it'll give us an identification.
Come here.
You should see the shooting take place. This thing went down at 103.
It should be coming up.
Detectives spot a man who fits the shooter's description.
Yep, here it comes.
Alright, there it is. There it is. Right there. 0330.
Stop!
You just got shot right there.
I don't know what he doing, y'all.
I know.
The video shows the suspect shoot the victim twice in the back.
That's all.
Back up. Stop.
Can't really see his face, but it looks like he may have a goatee.
He's got shoes with red bottom soles. Back up some more.
Yeah.
He's got something on his face.
Detectives discover that the suspect is masked.
It's gonna be hard to ID him like that.
The victim looks like he's, trying to protect his business and.
Dude, can you be still?
4 hours in.
Black male wearing blue jeans, black t-shirt.
Osorio alerts patrol to be on the lookout for a man in his 20s.
Our description is pretty vague. That's all we got for right now.
The crime scene unit collects DNA and prints.
That chair is up against that corner right there.
After looking at the video, we're trying to figure out what chair was touched during the struggle.